Hey everybody, this is Toby Eunice. I'm at the Very Large Array, the National Radio Telescope Observatory. The light is great, I gotta admit that. I'm gonna turn the camera around so that you can see my setup. That's my time-lapse setup. That's a Panasonic Lumix G7 SLR, Micro Four Thirds SLR. Has a 150 millimeter lens on it right now. And it's sitting on a controller, a motorized controller made by Revolve, and what that controller is responsible for two things: sliding the camera across the slider, the Imerden slider, at a set rate of speed. In this case, it'll take 30 minutes to go all the way across, and in that time I will have made 999 exposures, giving me 30 seconds worth of time-lapse time. It also turns the camera, depending on the direction, in either a clockwise or counterclockwise direction, so that you get a parallax effect as well. These are the controlling devices. That's a miniature 12-volt battery. I've never run out of battery with that, no matter how long I've been shooting in one day. And then that's my homemade controller. It controls the direction and the speed of that box sitting under the camera. You can see the VLA behind us. Now, unfortunately, as you know, smartphone cameras have a pretty wide angle lens, so they're actually a lot closer than they look. That's the VLA, and in that direction is the visitor center, which I'm going to try and get to today. It's about a half hour away from closing. It closes at sunset, but we're definitely going to have to come back here because, like I said, it's too windy to shoot either a stable time lapse or a steady, stable drone shot. It's about a 2 hour and few minutes drive, so it's not too bad. Straight down I-25 and then onto New Mexico 60 West. There wasn't enough signal to live stream. I started a live stream, but there definitely wasn't enough signal. I'm gonna go rush over to the visitor center, get some stuff, and then head over to dinner in Datel, I think is how the name is pronounced. Talk to you later.